Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to jumpstart Volvo XC40 using the portable jumpstarter. The main benefit of this device is that you don't need another vehicle. You can jumpstart your car on your own. The positive terminal is located underneath this cover, this bracket right here, and this stud is the negative terminal, which is connected to the negative terminal on the battery right here, so you could in theory use either this one or this one, but Volvo has this stud as a designated point for jump starting. I'll connect our clamps to the port inside our device, and immediately you guys will see the blinking green light. This means that the device is ready to be connected. The red clamp needs to be connected to the positive terminal, to the bracket, and the black one will be connected to this stud. And as you guys can see, there is enough room in order to connect both clamps. After you have connected the device, the light will become solid. This means that now we can turn our vehicle on. The car starts. Now I disconnect both clamps. I'll start with the black one and the red one. And now our vehicle is ready to go. Besides that, this device is very safe. It is spark proof. It has reverse polarity protection. I'll show you guys what I mean. If by any chance you connect black to red and you connect red to black, this is what we'll get. You'll get the sound warning and you will see the red light. This means that you cannot do jump start this way and you have to move the clamps around. Another step that we would like to recommend you to do after you have jump started the Volvo, we recommend to turn off the engine start and stop function. The light has disappeared. It means this function now doesn't work. The reason for that is when you have a discharged battery, when for example you stop at the red light, the vehicle will automatically turn off the engine and it may not have enough capacity in the battery to restart the engine. After at least an hour of driving, the 12-volt battery will recharge, and after that we'll be able to safely turn on this function again. Besides that, guys, you can also use it as a tire inflator. It comes with the hose, simply connect it to the valve, and now we can start the device, press the power button, and we'll set our target tire pressure, which is 33 in this case, and our current tire pressure is 29, so all I have to do is press this button and it will start pumping. We are now at 33 psi. Now I can disconnect the hose and our tire is properly inflated. Besides that, guys, you can use this device to charge your phone, for example. It has an output port for the USB, and we also have the flashlight, which will come in handy at night. So this is basically 4-in-1 device. You can jumpstart your car, you can pump your tires, you can use it as the power bank, and it has a flashlight. We'll leave you guys the link for this one in the description if you like it, and we'll see you in the next video.